Alam mo ba, tandaan mo ha, I am the Philippines' best-selling recording artist of all time.
Napakayabang. I am the Philippines' most monetized content of Christopher Me. Napakayabang mo. Well, after Julina Madlang magtangal, I am the queen of Philippine pop culture now.
Wow. Well, I was a box office queen 2000 and 2001.
Wow, so naka 2 points ka doon. Pinagmamalaki mo yun?
Oh.
Well, Miss Regine, I am the phenomenal box office star 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 16, 17, and 2018, and I claim 2025.
Eh, kasi huminto na akong gumawa ng pelikula.
Ay, ang yabang mo.
Well, I have 27 sold-out concerts here at the Arenal Coliseum. May picture ko dun sa...
Laway ka na eh, grabe. Akin, lalaki ha.
Sorry naman, mabango na may hininag.
Nakailang sold out ka sa Araneta?